Hi everybody, welcome to the Spain Gibraltar channel and welcome to Gibraltar. I'm standing right at the border inside Gibraltar with the border with Spain, and I'm showing you the brand new biking tunnel that was just completed and opened here at Gibraltar. As of today, 31 March 2023, all motorized vehicle traffic is now being diverted to use the tunnel at the other end of the runway. The tunnel was just opened at 12:01 a.m. this morning, so I wanted to get over here to Gibraltar and take a look inside the bike tunnel. Now, I will include that here at the border, at the frontier, when cars and traffic are coming in from the Spain side, it's a little bit confusing because they still have a lot of the barriers that they're moving around, the crosswalks, etc. But I'm sure after just a couple days, people will get used to which way they need to go, where to stop, where the crosswalks are, etc. So this is a really unique experience for Gibraltar and for Gibraltarians, as vehicle traffic has been crossing over the top of the runway for decades, and now all vehicle traffic is being diverted to the tunnel here, which seems to be running smoothly with just a couple things going on in the back. So if you're ready, follow me. I'll take you inside the bike tunnel here at Gibraltar. Nice and smooth, but I actually kind of like this bike path. Seems kind of quiet, and as I get up to the tunnel, I'll have more videos and stuff about Kingsway Tunnel, 31 March 2023. Como es interesante, ¿no?
Oh, interesante.
Every time I see one of those closets in a tunnel, I think of Independence Day, when she's stuck in the tunnel with her kid in the car and she barely kicks open the door in time and the golden retriever jumps through the closet door just at the last second before the explosion. Every time I see a closet door in a tunnel, that's what I see. Welcome to the other side of the tunnel here in Gibraltar that was just completed. It's still on this side, needs a little bit of work. It looks like once they finish that area, it's gonna look really beautiful and nice. But if you're taking your bike from Spain over to Gibraltar, I highly recommend just crossing the airport runway, because down here on this end, there's not a lot of clear direction on where bikers should go. There's still not a lot of signage that has been put up. I will say, however, that the tunnel is done well. At least the biking part seemed nice and level. Flooring throughout, the paint looks nice. Everything looks like it's come together quite nice. So we'll see how the rest of the project, the finishing touches, progresses here in Gibraltar at the new tunnel that was just opened. Let me take you back through the tunnel from Eastern Beach. We'll head back into the tunnel. Well guys, there we have it, the inside of the new biking and pedestrian tunnel here at Gibraltar. After decades of vehicle traffic crossing over the Gibraltar International Airport runway, the tunnel to divert that vehicle traffic is finally completed, and just next to that tunnel is for bicyclists and pedestrians. The tunnel here at Gibraltar is really cool. It's called Kingsway Tunnel. The road around here has been just named Kingsway as well. Here's a little introduction to the new tunnel here at Gibraltar, diverting vehicle traffic away from driving on the airport runway. Thanks so much for joining the Spain Gibraltar channel. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comments section below.